Hello, today we'll see what is a wall tag in Revit and how to modify wall tag. Okay, to get a wall tag, so I need wall. So I'm going to type WA. I'm supposed to get WA means WA for wall shortcut. You can use wall shortcut, otherwise go to architecture and take wall and then draw a square room. Wall tag, to tag wall, go to annotate and here tags. So here you can select tag by category and just select the wall. So by default it will take wall category and it is going to give wall tag. Okay, so this is your wall tag. So let's do another wall tag by category, and I'm going to place here. Okay, so what is a wall tag? So wall tag, they are 2D element, they are a 2D family, and when you are loading into project you can use them in sheets. So here the tags are actually reading from the wall. Here I can see there is number 1. So if you're selecting a wall and if you go to edit type, here you can type number 1. This is actually a type mark value. Okay, so it's a type parameter and this is reading from the wall. It's a type mark value. Okay, in case if you want to change the family, you can select from the drop down menu, you can choose for an option. If you don't have any other option, then select the tag and say edit family. So here in case if I select a text, so here what I can see in the properties, so here you can see tag label 3mm. So it's a label, it's not a text. Okay, so label actually will read from the parameters. So in case if you want to edit, you can here in the property bar take label edit, otherwise you can edit label. Here you can keep. Okay, it will pop up the same window. Here you can see type parameter added here. So in case if you want to change the parameter, then remove, press the red color arrow and then select comments. Here you can add and say OK. So now this will read comments, and I'm going to remove the outline. So I'm going to remove the outline and I'm going to extend the text, and I'm going to say load into project and close. I don't want to save because I don't want to change anything default. So I'm just going to overwrite older version. Here you can see now this is showing an arrow mark. So in this wall we don't have anything mentioned in the comments parameter value, so no value here. So if you are typing anything here, for example water barrier, enter. So here you can see water barrier. So whatever type you can double click here and then you can type here also jet, and when you are selecting the wall you can find the same value. So you can give input in the property or in the tag. In case if you want to modify tag parameter, like so we have a line here, I want an arrow mark. To do that kind of changes, you can select and go to edit type. Here you can see leader arrowhead. So here you have to select 30 degree fill. I'm going to select arrow filled 30 degree. I'm going to say yes, okay. So this is how you can do. Attach end, free end, When you freehand, you can actually keep it to the edge. So this is how we can change. Thanks. Bye.